How you doing, art lovers? Got a, what is it, 10 by 20 canvas here that's loose. I've already taped my back, put in my hooks. So I can get it level. But first, we're going to lay it down here. Take a water bottle, spray it with water. Get it nice and soaked. Run down that way. Run down that way. It doesn't take very long for it to dry. Let it set up. Let it dry a little bit. And while it's drying, throw a level on it. Nice and level. We'll go this way. Could go just a little bit, so we'll take this and we'll back them off half a turn, or a quarter of a turn, I mean, right in the center. Check that way again just before we do it. All right. Hear that? That's what you want. You want it to sound like a drum. All right. Oh. There you go. Get square with the world. All right. Okay. I was asked the other day about a wing pour. I've never done a wing pour before. I did watch some videos on it though. And made up my trusty little 1 ounce cup, hot glued it, and that's 1 ounce. I think this is 8 or 5. I don't remember, but we're gonna make it work. High dollar tools here. Meow mix. I feed my little cat in. Cat food comes in them. I wash them all up, clean them all out. And they work great for storing paint, mixing up paint. Or what I'm going to use it for is to hold the canvas up. That might not be enough. I might have to put a couple more under there. That looks a little better. Still might not be high enough. Alright. Alright, that looks a little better. Okay. Let's get our paints. Alright. Little horse, or the cart in front of the horse. Put you guys on pause. I'll be back in a second. Just gonna do like 3 colors, I believe. I might add a white. I'm not sure. So get these gloves on. Yeah, if you have any ideas or you know, something that you'd like me to try or attempt, leave it in the comments. Alright, got my trusty little cup here. I think what we're going to do first, no, I don't want black in there. That Bob Ross say, we always have happy accidents. Yeah, I always have total disasters. So, all right, let's put some black in here. All right. Got some brown here. All right. Let's take some white. They're using white. I'm going to use gray for the center. None of these paints have silicone in them. It's 1 part paint, 1 part medium mix, and my medium mix is 5 ounces of glue all, 1 ounce of Floetrol, and 1/2 ounce of flow improver, which if you look down in the description, down in the video links, you'll find the video how I make my flow improver. Alrighty, got our mixture here. Let's give it a whirl and see how she goes. A wing pour. First attempt. Well, looking good so far. I know I'm in your way, and I'm sorry. Might have been a little too high running. Huh. Lost all my center. Alright, art lovers, it looked like it started out pretty cool. I should have just left it alone. I never should have tilted it, because tilting it, I think, destroyed it. But it was pretty cool, especially with the center, the gray lacing and everything. I did try another attempt with some different colors, which is in another video. That one didn't turn out either, but it turned out to be a pretty cool, look like, you'll see it in the next video. This one here turned out really cool. Like I said, I shouldn't have tilted, should have just left it alone. I've tried to play with it some more, get the technique down, and get you all a wing pour. That is really cool. I got all these cells. I don't know where all these cells came from. It sure don't look like a wing pour. It is cool, the cells right there. You see them? That's strange. That is strange. Let me hit that with a torch for a sec. Well, it didn't turn out as a wing pour, so I have to go back and see what I did wrong. I didn't have my consistency of my paint right, or I had it too much of an angle, or but that's cool. That just looks, see all them? Yep. That's the top. Then it goes down, it goes over. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. Sorry it wasn't a wing pour feather. Where did I get that at? I don't know. But oh well, trial and error, right? So yeah, just because this one didn't turn out doesn't mean the other one will. But this one is cool. I like that. And what little white I did is outlined. I thought by torching it might come up more, but there's a little white, excuse me, there's a little white there. And all these is outlined in white. Even the ones here, little veins. And that looks like a marble, like a rock. And then you get all these little rocks. That's pretty cool. Oh, there you go, art lovers. Wasn't a wing pour, but it turned out really cool. I like it. I mean, you got, looks like rocks and little rocks and cells. I don't know, like, got a bunch right here that I want. It would be great if I could get him to make a little bigger, but they doesn't seem to want to go that way. Oh, you like it? Give me a thumbs up. Leave a description. Leave a comment down in the description box. And hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you know when I'm upload another video. And get that piece of thing out of there. And yeah. Till next time, get out there and paint something.